How to set or change a password on your laptop. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to go in, create a password for your laptop. I'll also be showing you how to change the password, and this will work for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. Now, the first step you need to do is just open up the Start menu, and then we're going to search for the word Settings and click on this window here. Now, in the left-hand side, go and click on Accounts, and then scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Now, there's two different ways to go and change the password. So if you see password in this list here, you can simply click on the drop down arrow and you should be able to just click on this change button to go and change your password. Now, if you don't see this, then what you'll need to do is scroll down to Additional Settings, and you'll have the option that says, for improved security, only allow Windows Sign In. We're actually going to turn off this feature by disabling it. And once you've toggled this off, you can then come and close out of the settings page. Now, once you've done that, just open back up the Start menu and go and search for settings once again. In the left-hand side, go and click on Accounts. You can then scroll back down to Sign In Options and click on this. You can then go and click on the drop-down arrow next to Password, and you should now have the option to click on this Change button. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.